clean. Come, you enough to run dirty. Watch it. Watch it. So good, Beverly. So good, Beverly. Beverly, stop harass me, so cocky, Beverly. Beverly, stop harass me. Blood clot. Stop harass me, Beverly. Stop harass me. Me read my blood clot place and you just harass me, so. Everybody know about you, Beverly. Yeah, and a shit get you, Beverly. And a shit get you, so good, Beverly. You eat shit like dog.
Your heartbeat, I'm gonna hire baby.
Dog shit, Beverly, I better you see up here. I'm afraid to come up at this blood clot here. Today me take out me things, them are so cocky, Beverly, now blood clot, give me my money. Eat shit, Beverly, now give me my money. I know Beverly are coming argument to you. Beverly, go get a man put in your pussy. You is a dirty germs. You is a watch out, Beverly, lock me up in a murder. Oh, what kind of judgment this? I'm gonna have syphilis get you. That's why you think so. So good, Beverly. And you eat shit like dog, Beverly. Beverly, you eat shit like dog. Murder. I pack up my things and Beverly don't want to give me my blood clot. Money for come out. Talk the truth. I'm not going to say she have blood clot money. No, you know, from money. Beverly wait until a night time. No. Beverly come. Beverly come suck my back way. I never see this yet. Hey, me not laugh. Then see how Beverly mix you up. You see how Beverly out there call up me name and I tell, hey, me hate Beverly. Beverly is the worst landlord. Beverly come suck me. And you come trouble me blood clot. Me need to live good. Dog shit. Blood clot. Winston ate you like poison. Everybody in there ate you, Beverly. You suck too much food and yam too much shit. I'm tired of you. All dog shit like you. Dirty suck with Beverly. Go ahead. I never want to put nothing on her furniture. Because true, she don't want blood clot. Give me back my money. Beverly, everybody know. Beverly, everybody know. Say me. Come out of your mama bleeding blood clot. The police them said me if come back in here, so. If you don't give me my money, I must not leave. You're bright.
Your money there, nobody ever come out there.
How are you go beg and borrow it? I say you so from morning me wake after 9 to blood clot. The man in the house right here so when me move up my things then. The youth where they live right here so when me move up my things then. And Beverly are gone for 3 blood clot all. So good, Beverly. Eat shit, Beverly. Beverly, go buy your hood. You want a hood for fuck out your mouth, Beverly. Beverly, you want a hood for fuck out your hole too. You tell see? Are you that drunk or this? Beverly accosted. Hey, you know rent your son. You know rent your son.
You rent my room.
Okay. Okay, so we are arrested for. So we are arrested for.
And the room.
We are arrested for so good Beverly. So good Beverly. We are arrested. We are arrested for. Eat shit that you want. And then too much shit in your blood. And I'll syphilis get you. I'll syphilis get you. Syphilis get you. Syphilis get you, dirty witch. Oh, demon. Demon. Go down, Satan. I move your blood clot and go. I use the toilet. I use the toilet. I use the toilet. I use the toilet. You don't see no white man come to me. My appear my bill. I eat that blood clot. You can't tell no lie for me. So all my friend them will come here. All my friend them come here is my man too. Come suck me. Whoever you see come here, come suck my pussy. Dirty woman. I'm in money, yo. and them, you know me not there with nobody. Give it to me then, I'm go on now. Give it to me, I'm go on. Oh, married man, I want this. You see what she wicked and bitter. The woman, you say that woman is wicked. Jesus Christ, I never seen nobody demonic like that woman here. No, me not have the papers. So all through me not have the papers if you come ramp with me. Watch out, she lucky. Yeah. 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 Murder. Beverly, yeah, is a long time old beat out pussy when put on a no man now use. So you see me see nobody coming here to me, Beverly. You see downstairs that you call strokes, you call bones, and I remember friend them still in a so. You come and your people right there say you listen your cocky, you what kind of dirty landlord you be dirty Beverly. He's so good Beverly. He dirty yam shit Beverly. Beverly, you used to send your pussy and take fucking in your back, you think your people are same thing. So cocky Beverly. Well man. All shit like you.
Jamaican them have shame, they're not low class like you, they don't come out already.
Come out yourself, come out. And you know I give me money. Me have proof so good. And you know I give me money.
Come on. I check my fucking house before
you
come on.
So when I take all the things then when I drive out.
I went to my apartment.
The real estate man come here, you know.
I went to
and the man beg you to come pay me money, you know. And you going, you know. So good Beverly. And that shit like you, who's your body man, blood clot Beverly. And then you so full up a ear bump, no blood clot. Where?
So
you both think like everybody body will panda like they're so good, man. No, you syphilis mommy. Yes, syphilis mommy, leave me. Leave me Beverly. Leave me Beverly. Leave me. Beverly. And you never see a man come out. Here what you do? Run the blood clot video.
I have it
Run the video. Run it. Run it. Say somebody come help me. I tell you things they must take a man. And you never see a man come here to me. Never. Help me carry the things they must take. You stick no blood clot. No. Dog shit like you. The area.
We are fucking on your ears.
Murder! Beverly, I'm million cheese. Me not hide nothing. So good, Beverly, I'm million cheese. None at all. None me not hide. I start telling you about married man, dirty woman.
I'm married man, you can tell me married man, you tell me.
Beverly, why you lick me?
You tell me some married man you have.
Me tell you that, Beverly. Jesus Christ, Beverly, them wicked and lie.
You tell me some married man, I take care of you. Because I fuck you on your ass to pay your bill.
Yeah, me, one of them people who believe that wicked woman there. Yeah. They tell the truth. You believe that dirty woman there? Yeah.
I'm gonna get you.
If you make the people them see you so good. So make the people them see you.
I can't see him. No one man show up on the same picture. Me no want to make your face up on the same thing. Me no want to make your face.
Who feel like you're bright? Me not like that dirty woman. Oh. You're brighty.
We don't mix up with you like Jamaica. Winston, come tell me some bullshit. A Winston make a gun around a baby like you in the house.
Yeah, but listen, this morning your blood clot say, me for come out and me come out, and when me take out my things them, stop good woman, your blood clot now. We stop us off the door. Stop us off the door. And my money you fi give me come out of your place. Your dog shit yo. That you fi do. Just give me my blood clot money. Dog shit.
Mash up my door. Mash up my door and get the money.
If you mash up your door, you will hold your door. Yeah, me.
You slam, get up on my camera and slam the door. You slam it, you have it on your record.
Yeah?
You slam the door.
Yeah, because I can't take the noise. I make too much noise. I want to be peaceful in my apartment. Dog shit.
You rent a room.
You rent a room with 1, 2, 3 people where it's not family. Call the blood clot police. So good. And that you fit do dog shit. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. So good. Dirty woman. Call the police. Hello, your taxi. Here you are. From me there, this a pussy and a touch. Here? You want to borrow the pussy that you want to do. You need to borrow the pussy. I open the door. The door open.
Stop slamming my door.
Or what you gonna do? You gonna hit me? You gonna hit me? You gonna hit me or you make your hand touch me? Early on? You're gonna hit me like how you make your hand touch me?
All the way from your room and come out here.
Oh.
You left all the way from your room come out here, son.
Okay.
I have somebody coming up here and meeting up here to work on this apartment.
That
here.
have nothing to do with me.
You left all the room come out here.
That don't have nothing to do with me. And you come out, come call me so good Beverly, you're too lying. Dog shit Beverly, and you come call me.
You come left your room come out here, son. You left your room come out here because you're big and bad. You left your room come out here. Everybody's still in the room. You left your room come out here, son. You left your room come out here. This is my home right here, son. My house. You left your room come out here, son. Still in the room.
The whole of we are stuck on the blood clot judgment
Stop
table.
mash up the things them in the house.
Where mash up?
Stop mash up.
For go like this, that is mash up. Eh?
You don't know how you don't know how
Sit on the chair, you big old dirty nasty beard. You so good like. You eat shit like dog.
No Jamaican, nobody tell them to come out of their house and them still in there.
Yeah, but me come out and you hold on for my money. And my money you hold on pan doghead. Doghead. And my money you hold on pan. Jump who? You can dump me. Touch if you touch me so good girl, make me show you something. Just touch me. You can't touch me, because if you touch me, me damage right now and you touch me. Just come put your hand for me, no so good girl. What make you feel like say that have nothing to do with me? Yeah, your police friend them come suck my pussy at Jamaica. Oh.
Listen, I'm ready for you. Because I'm make you a good grandson.
That get so good Beverly, but just why you leave me alone and give me back my blood clot money so cocky woman and let me leave.
Bobby!
Hey, me eat Beverly.
Bobby!
Bobby eat you.
Bobby!
Bobby eat you.
Shit, Bobby, come on, I'll leave.
Him not leave. Bobby not go nowhere. Bobby eat you.
Oh, shut up.
So talk it through it now. People if you deal with them as suck with that shit house you good. Eh? Me supposed to come out of the slum and anywhere I want blood clot come from. Me is a tabat. I mean, why you come chat to me till you give me my money, so good girl. Because everybody sees me move out. Bobby go on, Bobby go on. Yeah, I'm laughing now. Beverly, hey, Mr. God, who make me come in at this heavy crosses, dirty house here? Nah, laugh. Ignorant, bad. Mr. Watch it, I pack up the whole of my things, them, you know. I pack up every single thing and move them outside. Beverly come in and talking with me for an idea. Eh? Look how long Beverly if you give me my blood clot money from my friend there. Pack everything in my friend vehicle. Beverly if you just give me money from them time, them I go on about my ways. So could Beverly gone down still. Beverly said me tell you I'm married man. Hey, Beverly never Beverly wicked. Beverly see one man one time help me come up here. Carry up my things them. The driver. And Beverly says my man. And the man sleep over. Beverly a D man. Think me like Beverly. And Beverly said me, he said the man a fuck me in my ears and my nose and my body one. Murder! Hey, my head hurt me. I just can't do this no more. You know when she go on bad now? Which married man? I mean, I don't know who she attack. Yeah, she said she have the man picture. And she go, listen, she said she have the man picture. And she go find out that Ufa man. You see that woman there crosses? You see how Beverly want to mash up my life. A woman me there with you now. A woman me do, I don't do, man. You see what Beverly want to do in my life? Beverly go on here, look somebody for go down Emmanuel Road with. Beverly's there, go there. Yeah, Beverly talk out her so good, nah lie. Beverly Brado doesn't come over. Hey, make fuck Beverly go on, man. Wait no. So when she not just give money and make you go on, ma, she wait until my friend gone. Beverly Beverly a play games. Beverly is playing games and Beverly cannot call the fucking police on me. Because Beverly know that she has to take me to court. And on top of that again, Beverly shouldn't rent out up here so. If she rent it out, she rent it out to a family. Beverly know the wrong bumbuck that she this she back up. She is which part in the world? Watch out, Beverly are coming. She tired of say. I feel like saying she nobody frightened for her. I'm not frightened for Beverly. I want one girl this way I got ackle your ackle. Go on like how you go on like how the man come up. And the man see say he's a drunkard about Beverly. I know where you can't do nothing to nothing in here so for me because I go change the lock. You see that lock there? I go change it.
You hear about it? So, now you never hear it. The door will be tampered with.
Tampered with? The police themselves tell me say change at the lock there today. So I don't know why you dirty girl. Give me my blood clot money make me go on out to your place. That's what you do. Come here, come and play. You see only now here, look how she sit down. Let me come show the people them how you sit down now for sure. You say, you is an actress. Because she come in, because one gentleman, I'm not going to show the man on camera. But look how she come in and sit down nicely now.
Well, I know that you have me, I show to your people them.
That have nothing to do with me if you want video me, Beverly.
That you have the video to show your people them. Okay.
Me have to because it's how you do it. Yeah, that is what you have to do long time.
And video.
Why you call the police, Beverly?
You have me on video.
Yeah.
Showing all your friends them.
Yeah.
You come sit down in your room, come sit down out here, so me and the man here, and you come back out of your room, come out here.
Just like how you did that annoy me.
You come back out of your room.
You have to do it because look, at first.
You come back out of your room, come out here.
At first you wasn't doing all that. You wasn't doing all this nice talking and sitting down and not saying nothing. You skin out your body, you tell me how me a gonorrhea, you make me, I'm a so good, I'm a take married man, I'm a do this, I'm a do that. The man fin know you. The man fin know you.
Excuse us.
The man fin know, excuse who?
We have something to do.
Hey, me not pay finance too.
Over there, sir.
A liar tell, me operating as a too. A liar tell. Oh, that not nothing to do with me if you take off the door.
So, I'm working
right now. Excuse
me.
Me now move.
Excuse me.
Come move me. Me now move. Me a video you. Cause remember said this a follower from the late video. Remember
hello? Yes, sir. It's the police. 1103 East 222nd Street. I went to the precinct today and I reported a lady who is disturbing and acting very aggressive towards me here.
I got a whole lot of proof to show the police. I called the police too today.
She's in here, sir. I'm upstairs doing some work and she's in here video. Said she's gonna video me live.
I have to video you. I have to.
Sensing me. Yes, sir.
Now I have to video you.
1103 East 222nd Street.
Yeah, me go save the live.
It's a private home. Yes. Laconia and East 222nd. East Chester, yes. Yes.
Of course, not
There's
gonna
a
save the
lady here,
life.
sir, who is disturbing the whole house. She take over the house.
Yeah,
Nobody
yeah.
here is in peace.
Yeah.
Nobody else. You could hear in the background because the gentleman is up here, workman is up here to do some work. She left her room and in the kitchen here said she's gonna have me on live so all her friends can see me. I'm the landlord here. She's the tenant. She have me on her live. She said right now. She's standing in front of me. Yes, sir. She's standing in front of me with her phone. Yes. I have a workman up here. She left her room, come out here, and she's cursing and yelling at me. I said, give me some, excuse me, I need some space. I have someone here working. And she left her room and come and sit in the kitchen here, in the living area.
Yeah, save the life and come back, people. And call police too.
And she
right?
she have me